Surprise!
Happy birthday!
What a shock, right? I'm like,
Oh boy, glad you made it.
oh yeah.
We were worried about you. You're late.
It was cool. The teacher. We're having a final exam, and he's just like.
They found out you're married to a white boy, huh?
That's why they kept you over, huh?
That's the least of my problems. Oh, thank you very much.
You give her a kiss, Mashi?
No.
No, give her a kiss. You were just supposed to leave. It's like, what is this? She's coming.
No, I'm coming.
You should see Dora. Look at her. She's so
Hi, Kimberly. Kissing. Yes.
There you go.
Big girl.
She was all smiles. She was all smiles. She was like,